Hey guys, here this is a practicing 5 thread in OS. The question is write a C program to create a single thread that prints the welcome message. We are going to see VI security setup. This is the code. First I have started the code with hash include the C syntax, and for thread I have used pthread.h void. Here I have did a function, so void function security welcome and void arg. If the main condition is correct, it will print this and return. In the int main I have, for thread I have used pthread dash t1, and to the thread to create, right? So I have used ampersand t1, this t1, and the null and the security message I have here defined and null. Then I have joined this thread and written 0. Now we can compile this code and see the output. And the output, yeah, welcome to data analysis system. Because of my theme I have used this. The next question is main thread and child thread message. Okay, we can see the code. Yeah, this is a code. You can see the code. Previous model, this code have only the printf printf have came. Okay, we can compile this code and run the code. cc okay, there is a error in this code. I will go to editor, I to edit. Okay. Yeah, the code is correct. Now a dot out, yeah, main thread and the child thread. The next question is two thread printing execution message. You can use the editor. Yeah, this is a code. I used two void main functions in this for the first thread and the second thread, and I have declared to create a first thread I have did one thing, to create the second thread I have used one thing, and joining the two thread I have used. Compile the code and run the code. cc yeah, the thread we have run. The next question is passing integrate to thread, the user login method. You can see the code, the normal code I did here, only the user value is defined here, or else this is a malloc code, so I have used the thing. Compile the code and run the code. Yeah, the code is correct, and I will run the code. Thread activate user login in 0. The next final question is thread return calculated value. You can see that Here's a code. This is malloc. I used malloc, the C malloc. Nothing changed, the C malloc I have used. And using the pointers, I did this question. You can compile the code and run the code. Yeah, there is no error. You can see thread rest score calculated 85 and the main thread rest score is 85. Thank you.